Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you my spin on a classic appetizer because the Super Bowl is coming up this weekend and I live near Kansas City, so go Chiefs. I'm just using up some things that I had already and just tweaking a recipe to what I already had on hand. So come along, let me show you how I did it. These turned out delicious. My husband loves them, so I hope everybody tomorrow at work likes them too. Let's go. To start, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get our biscuits lined out onto these cookie sheets. And we'll set a timer for 13 minutes. These still need probably another minute. All right, it has been about 2.5 minutes and these look perfect. While the biscuits cool, we're gonna go ahead and make our kind of like glazy top sauce. And we're going to use 4 sticks of butter, so 2 cups, and we're going to melt that in the microwave. To our melted butter mixture, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Three teaspoons of brown sugar. Then we need 6 teaspoons of dried minced onions, and I don't have any, so I'm just using onion powder. And mine's a little clumpy because it got some moisture in it, but it's still fine to use. Then I need 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then finally, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We're just gonna mix this up, and this is gonna be what we brush on top of our biscuits when we're ready to put them in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grease a 9x13 baking dish. And as I put these biscuits in here, I am going to open them up. Now, to these sandwiches, I'm going to add Black Forest ham. And traditionally you would use Swiss cheese, but I have a plethora of this medium cheddar cheese that I need to use, so we're going to use that instead. And then we're going to brush our butter mixture just right over the top of our biscuits. Now I'm going to cover these with aluminum foil because I don't want the biscuits to get any darker. And then we're going to put these in a 350 degree oven for 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check on our sliders. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Beautiful. Oh, they smell fantastic. The cheese is all melty. The tops are nice and buttery and soft. All right, I'm gonna let these cool before I package them up to take to work tomorrow. And as you can see, I'm making more biscuits because we have a lot of people who work in my building. Oh, there's the other one. Look at that. All right, our timer went off for the very last batch of these. And let's check them. Beautiful. As you can see, the ones that have cooled, I have stacked in a large container with foil separating each layer so that they hopefully don't stick together. And I'm going to put these in the refrigerator overnight, take them to work tomorrow, and tell everyone just to stick them in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds, and they should be beautiful. And there you have it, my take on a classic Super Bowl appetizer. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys soon with a Chiefs Super Bowl victory in hand. Have a great one. Thanks, guys. Bye.